Hello everybody, this will be a video on how to install the D2-Series red lights from Lasfit. These are the tail lights that are in color red, D2-7443R. So what you want to do is remove 2 screws to be able to access the bulbs that you have on your current tail lights. So to go, here's 1 screw here. Here's another screw. What you'll need is a T15 screwdriver. And what I did here is I just grabbed my drill bit and I put the T15. So T15 looks like so. All right. So I already have these LED lights installed in the truck, and I've been driving around for, I'll say 4 days, and I have no hyper flashing, no error codes on the dash, and I also don't have any noise interference with my audio system or the coming out of the speakers that the truck has. So I guess we'll start. So here's the first screw. I'm going to remove the second screw. And then you'll slowly pop it out. There you go. And what you want to do is remove this bulb here and this bulb here. So you just turn. See, that's pops one out. And then this would be the other red bulb. And I already have these installed, and we can tell here is it's pretty nice. It has an LED light here, an LED light here, and on the other side, and then it has this to diffuse the light. So it shines really bright. It's brighter than the bulbs that come with the original truck. And just to see how bright it is, we'll test it out. Okay, and another cool thing is you can place these how just plug and play. It could go bi-directional, so if you want to place it this way, you can see it turns on. If you place it this way, it turns on, so no issues there. So once you plug it in, you can go ahead and put them back inside and twist to secure. Top, you do the bottom. And you can hear the click, it's already fastened. And now, in order to put this back, you see there's this thing here, and there's a hole right here at the top and one at the bottom. And so you have to align those two. And once they're in, all you gotta do is just press it, it pops back right in. And you can go ahead and add the screws back. So start top. Here's the bottom. And there, and we're done. So now you would go ahead and do that for the other side, and that's it. So here's a glimpse of how they look during the day. Really bright. And that's it. Have a nice day.